All eyes on the tropics as our tropical wave is now beginning to make landfall, and there are some signs here that we need to stay dialed in on this as it will move across the southeast and just make things extra humid into next week. Some of the models, though, indicating this could circle back around, splash down in the Atlantic. Let me show you what's happening here. This wave is coming onshore, 30-mile-per-hour sustained winds. But get this, the computer models here show this sloppy mess causing flooding in many states, stretching as far north as western North Carolina. That extra high humidity combined with a front is going to lead to that. And the eventual track of this blob of moisture is what it is, moves up toward the north. It gets caught up in a front, and the origins of this do circle back around into next week. We've got a couple of clues of that. Let me show you one of them. That's our European model. Shows that over Louisiana, moving up toward the north. Look at the extra rain across the southeast into the weekend. No washouts, but it'll be wet at times. But that general core of the moisture circles back around to the Carolinas going into Monday, Tuesday. And then look at this. A little suspect low trying to form here Tuesday of next week. Wednesday of next week, kind of sitting here off the coast. Does this try to do an exact same thing that this previous wave did? Go back into the Gulf over the same exact areas? Well, the models are saying yes, that's a possibility. And not only that, as I zoom out across the entire Atlantic basin, I want to show you the colors here. Anytime you see a color like that, that is a tropical wave that could become a tropical system. You got that little entity circling back around there. Watch where that goes. Watch where this goes, both of which could become named tropical systems this time next week. One sitting in the Gulf, one sitting in the lower Caribbean right here. We have to watch the islands closely, and we'll continue to keep you posted. But it looks like hurricane season's trying to shift into another gear into next week.